Okay, let's talk about divisibility rules for 6. By now, you should have learned about divisibility rules for 2 and also for 3. So if you're not sure how to determine the divisibility of 2 or 3, go back and review that before you watch this. First of all, let's just look at all the numbers that are multiples of 3, and these should also be divisible by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Just do a few more and then I'll stop. We'll go to 50. Okay, we'll stop there. So those are all multiples of 3. So now I'm just going to make a little mark for all the multiples of 2. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay, now I'm going to count by 6s to get all the multiples of 6, and we'll see if you notice something here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So you might have noticed the multiples of 6 are all of the numbers that were multiples of 3 and multiples of 2. So wherever we had a black circle and a red line together, those ended up being the multiples of 6. This is because 2 times 3 equals 6. So if number is a multiple of 6, it's also going to be a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 3. So that tells us, for divisibility, if you want to test if something's divisible by 6, you have to do 2 different divisibility tests on it. You have to, first of all, test if it's divisible by 2, and then second of all, test if it's divisible by 3. So let's do an example. Okay, so let's look at this example. I want to know if 4,582 is divisible by 6. So first of all, we'll do the divisibility test for 2. It's an even number. The ones digit is an even number, so it should be divisible by 2. Now we've got to check and do a divisibility test for 3. And you should remember you do that by finding the sum of the digits. So we have 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2 equals 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. So, because it's not divisible by 3, this number cannot be divisible by 6. Okay, one more example. 798. First we'll check if it's divisible by 2. We look at the ones digit. It's an even number. It ends in an 8, so it is divisible by 2. Let's see if it's divisible by 3. We have 7 plus 9 plus 8, which equals 24. If you're not sure if 24 is divisible by 3, you can sum them again. 2 plus 4 equals 6. We should know that 6 is divisible by 3. So check. It's divisible by 2. It's divisible by 3. So it also has to be divisible by 6.